Hi, I'm Dana and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Chi Spin & Curl. Now I haven't used it yet, but the question of does it really work? I think I can answer it. I've seen several videos and read reviews and the answer is yes, I do think it works. It looks like it can make a curl, but what I really want to find out is how easy is it to use? How long does it take to use? And will it hold a curl? Now I typically, not even typically, I pretty much always get my hair done, and it usually takes about 45 minutes from the time she washes my hair, conditions, blow dries, and straightens, well not straightens, curls my hair with the straightener. Now, curling irons don't typically work in my hair. When I use a curling iron, by the time I'm done, the curls are gone. Curls don't last. That's why I always use a flat iron to curl my hair because the curls last so long. So this product seems to resemble more of a curling iron to me, so I'm not super confident it's going to do what I need it to do, but I'm trying to find a simple solution to get similar results to what I'm used to. So let's see if the Chi Spin & Curl is going to do it. So I purchased an open box from Amazon. It said packaging damage, and this is the damage that was on the box, which is not too bad. It was only $60, and the regular price is anywhere from $75 to $99 depending on which color you choose. Yeah, everything looks like new. You have your buttons to select which direction you want to make the curl go. You have the plus and minus button to select your temperature or the amount of time you want to hold the curl in the Chi Spin & Curl. And then you can also lock it by pressing the power button. This way, if you accidentally press the buttons, it won't change the temperature. Now I've already washed and blow dried my hair, and this is where I'm at right now. This is pretty typical of how my hair looks after washing it and blow drying it. But once that flat iron gets in this, I get some pretty good results. So again, I'm not too confident that the Chi Spin & Curl is gonna be able to get these roots and give me a silky look. I don't really want the same look that I typically have. I'm just trying to see, can I get close? Can I get something that I can walk out? Well, we can't even walk out the door right now. So when we can walk out the door, will I have something that looks presentable? Let's see. I'm actually using an old version of Lanza's Heat Defense Spray. I've mentioned it in other videos. It protects my hair from the heat, and it actually makes the curls last longer. Okay, so this is the first curl. I mean, I think it's in here. I don't hear anything. It feels like it's in. Okay, we're gonna just take it off. Okay. Maybe you're supposed to turn it till it beeps. I'm not. Oh, there you go. There's a beep. I got a little scared, but so yeah, this looks like a really nice curl. Okay, keep going. According to the directions, you're going to take 3/4 of an inch to an inch section of hair and insert it into the chamber at a 90-degree angle. If larger sections are used, the hair can get tangled. Then you're going to hold down the arrow button in the desired direction to curl the hair, and the hair strand will automatically be curled into the chamber. When the hair strand is completely in the chamber, release the button and the rotating will stop. You'll hear 4 beeps once the curl is set, and then remove the tool from the hair. You can see what does one right here. See, this is what I'm actually pretty worried about. It doesn't get very close, So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll do everything and we'll see how it all turns out. Just keep on. Okay. So, here's like this side. It does seem to be making a nice curl, but up here, see, when I use a flat iron, when the person that does my hair uses a flat iron, they can get my roots and everything. So I'm gonna just keep going. We'll finish this and see what we have. Okay, it's beeping because it just got stuck in my hair, but I pulled it out. Everything's fine, but it's still beeping. Oh, it says reset. I'm not sure how to, okay. I just had to press the power button to reset. I think I had too much hair, so let's continue. So one thing I'm noticing is that when it got stuck in my hair, it didn't stay in as long, but the curl was looser and I liked that curl better. So what I did was I lowered the temperature. I'm kind of almost done, but, and decrease the amount of time to see if that makes a difference. Okay, this is the last front piece. So this is the final product. As I said earlier, I was not concerned about it curling because it does curl, but my roots, it doesn't get very close. I mean, this was my first time using it and I didn't, you know, take my time. I'm not the type of person that's going to sit here for hours and do my hair. So that's what you saw me do is pretty much what I would do. Like I said, I'm looking for something that's easy to do, something that doesn't take a long time. This is easy, it doesn't take a long time. It's still questionable whether the curls are gonna last. And it took me about 30 minutes to do all this. Longer than I'd like it to take, but again, if I do it more often, it would get faster. So the main thing is the roots. What can we do about the roots? I don't like the idea of going back and using a flat iron or using a flat iron for the top. That might be something. So I just touched up a few pieces. I am noticing that the left side is already starting to fall. It's been about 30 minutes, but that might just be because I use bigger pieces. I kind of started using smaller pieces on the right side. I don't know, but overall, it looks pretty decent. Pretty decent. Again, the big thing is gonna be how it's looking tomorrow, if these curls do kind of hold up. But the ends don't look dry. It does give a silky smooth curl, and that's what I'm going for. So I am happy with the initial results. So let's see what it looks like later. So this is my hair the next day. Overall, it did last a little bit. Not as good as with a flat iron when I curl my hair with a flat iron. When I curl my hair with the flat iron, I'd say by day 6, this is what my hair looks like. Still kind of has a beachy wave. What I am still not happy with is the roots, because the Chi Spin and Curl doesn't get very close to the roots. But like I said, it does give your hair a nice silky curl. So it does work. My overall opinion of it, what I was testing it for, whether it's easy to use, yes, it is easy to use and it doesn't take a long time. Does it last a little bit? Like I said, better. It lasts better than if I were to use just a curling iron. So if you're a beginner, or if you're like me and aren't very good with doing your hair yourself, I would definitely say try the Chi Spin and Curl. So overall, I do think it's a good product and it's worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.